So for today's vlog, me and my little sister are gonna be fidget trading again, and it's my auntie's birthday, so stay tuned for the vlog that we're gonna do with our cousin. So come on, Candace, let's go. What would? Please don't scam me again. You know the broken DNA vault, right, guys? Check up the, my sister scammed me last week. That one. I trade,
Hey, this is broken.
that's okay. This.
I'll trade this is not around there.
Okay, yes, I love that. Well, look at UL's. He got a teeny one because he always breaks stuff. And this is our older cousin, Chloe. It's a little tiny.
Come on, let's go.
Trading this puppet.
It's okay if I trade you this.
A monkey noodle? No, decline. Getting new one. You are trying to scam me, little girl.
This.
Sure, add more. This is legendary puppet.
This.
And you please add some more stuff. Of course, here you go. Yay, got the squishmallow. Cute little thing.
Yeah.
We just pretend it's a multi.
Trade the infinity cube.
Oh, trading that.
Going once, going twice, going 3 times.
This one.
Add.
Alright then.
This is legendary.
Then now you need to add because I add up a puppet. Pwede ganun daw. Just add one thing, then I'll accept.
You're not the leader.
I know. What about you? Are you the leader?
No, what about you?
Our older cousin. Okay then.
She's not the leader.
Go. You go.
Our grandma is the leader. She scammed me.
Oh, sorry. Because you scammed me at the video.
I give it back to you.
Let's make a
What will you add next?
So why don't me and my sister have? You guys know me and my sister have a new puppet, right, little girl? Why don't we play the puppet game there? The last one who
We're playing the fidget trading, right?
they could see you lying down on the bed. Oh, keep that